The Fields section of your workspace allows you to manage system fields and custom fields of your workspace. In this section, you can create, view, and modify the system and custom fields of your workspace. There are multiple ways that you can access this section. The first one is by clicking Workspace and then clicking Fields. The second way is by going to any of your projects and then creating or modifying a test case. While creating a test case, you will find a Configure Fields button that can take you to this section. Finally, you can navigate to any of your projects, and then from the Settings section, you can move over to the Test Case tab and click All Fields, which will also bring you back to this section. In the Fields section, you can find more details about the fields: which group a particular field belongs to, system or custom, the entity to which it is applied, test case, test run, or defect, the type of data that this field expects, text, number, checkbox, etc. Projects for which a field has been enabled, whether a field is required or not. If a field is required, then it will not be possible to create or modify an entity, test case, test run, or defect without filling in such a field. The system fields can be optionally switched on or off via this section. If you click the pencil button, you can set which projects a field should be applied, with the option to enable it for all projects. If a field is irrelevant to your project, you can open the field settings and uncheck any projects where you don't want this field to appear. It is also possible to modify the values of the system fields if you have a startup, business, or enterprise subscription in Qase. You can edit the predefined default values or add any extra values you need for the system fields. We cannot predict what kind of unique properties your test cases, test runs, or defects will require. This is where custom fields will be useful. With the custom fields, you can create your own custom fields of various data types to capture additional data points for your test cases, test runs, or defects. Once you're done setting up a custom field, click the Save button. When creating a test case, test run, or defect, you will see the custom fields available. Let us take a look. For test cases, you would have a custom field section that shows you the custom fields that apply to test cases. If you go to the test run section to edit or create a test run, you will also see the custom fields that apply to test runs. Finally, if you go to the defects section, you will see the custom fields that apply to defects. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles and our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.